Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know you guys have been waiting to see the office reveal. However, we're not done yet, but we're going to show you guys some of the changes we've recently made in the office in this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you're aware of when I post new videos. Now let's get right into this video. Okay, so this is the beginning part where we decided that we wanted to add an accent wall in the office. Being that it's in the front of the home, closer to the entryway of the home, we wanted to add a little more life to it. So we decided to create an accent wall. You're gonna see my husband here getting ready to paint the wall. We both do the painting and help each other out. So that is definitely a plus. This is how it is so far from what it was before. This is the current look, and it's still not where I want it to be. I still have things that I ordered that has not arrived as of yet. I love the color on the wall, but I did not like how plain it looked. I wanted to create a bookshelf, which I think I might end up doing. But in the meantime, we decided to add some type of texture to the wall instead of just leaving it plain blue. So we decided to go to Home Depot, I believe, and we got some molding. Guys are gonna get ready to see the reveal soon. Everything is not done yet. this is where we have come so far. I know some of you has been waiting on it and sending me messages and asking about, you know, the office, when I'm gonna drop the video for the office, but this is where we've come so far. It's way better than before. However, the final reveal, now that's the next thing. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for the final reveal because I am almost done with it, guys. Thank you guys for your support and for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.